Are your business emails truly secure? Cybercriminals are smarter than ever, but so are we. Let's start with Multi-Factor Authentication, or MFA. It's your first line of defense. Even if a hacker has your password, they can't get in without a second verification step. Whether it's a phone app, text message, or token, you stay protected. Next up, Graphus AI. It scans every email in real time and blocks phishing, spoofing, and impersonation attacks. It even protects you from business email compromise. Think of it as a smart bodyguard for your inbox. Then there's SaaS Alerts. It watches your Microsoft 365 account 24/7. You'll get instant alerts if someone logs in from an unknown location, settings are changed without approval. Stay ahead of threats with real-time notifications. And don't forget spanning. It automatically backs up your email, OneDrive, and SharePoint every day. So if anything's deleted or encrypted by ransomware, you can restore it instantly. Email is the #1 entry point for cyber attacks. Don't leave your business exposed. Let Impress Computers secure your Microsoft 365, end-to-end. Call us now at 281-647-9977 or schedule a free consultation at impresscomputers.com.